Have you ever wondered how the United States Supreme Court acquired its immense power to declare laws unconstitutional, a crucial authority not explicitly detailed in the Constitution itself? This power is a foundational element of American governance, ensuring that all laws comply with our nation's supreme legal document. The legal precedent firmly established by the landmark 1803 Supreme Court case, Marbury v. Madison, was judicial review. This is the fundamental power of the judiciary to review and invalidate any law or government action that violates the Constitution. This pivotal decision solidified the Supreme Court's role as the ultimate interpreter of the Constitution, creating a lasting impact on American law. The case arose from a political dispute between the outgoing Federalist administration of President John Adams and the incoming Democratic-Republican administration of President Thomas Jefferson. Adams made last-minute appointments including William Marbury as a justice of the peace. However, Marbury's commission was not delivered before Jefferson took office, and Jefferson's Secretary of State, James Madison, refused to deliver it. Marbury sued, asking the Supreme Court to issue a writ of mandamus, a court order compelling an official to perform an act, citing a provision in the Judiciary Act of 1789. Chief Justice John Marshall, an Adams appointee, recognized the politically charged situation. He brilliantly navigated the challenge by ruling that while Marbury had a legal right to his commission, the Supreme Court did not have the original jurisdiction to issue such a writ in this instance. Marshall declared the section of the Judiciary Act of 1789 that granted the Supreme Court original jurisdiction in this type of case to be unconstitutional, as it expanded the court's powers beyond what Article 3 of the Constitution allowed. In practice, judicial review means that any federal or state law, or any action taken by the executive branch, can be examined by the courts. If a court finds that a law or action conflicts with the Constitution, that law or action is nullified and cannot be enforced. This acts as a vital check on the legislative and executive branches, ensuring their actions remains within constitutional boundaries. It empowers the judiciary to protect the supreme law of the land. An interesting detail from this period is that Chief Justice Marshall, a staunch Federalist, was careful to assert the court's power without directly clashing with the executive branch. By ruling against Marbury, he avoided a direct confrontation that the Jefferson administration would likely have won, but at the same time, he asserted the court's authority to interpret the Constitution and declare acts of Congress unconstitutional. This strategic move paved the way for the Supreme Court's enduring influence. Ultimately, Marbury v. Madison demonstrated that the Constitution is the supreme law, not merely a political document, and that the judiciary has the final say on its interpretation. This ensures a consistent application of constitutional principles, safeguarding the rights and structure of our government for all citizens. It is a cornerstone of our system of checks and balances, providing stability and accountability.